Hi, welcome to my channel RX Sam 2020. My name is Sam and I am pharmacist. Today we see mostly useful information of drug Verapamil. It is used for high blood pressure and chest pain. About Verapamil, Verapamil is in a class of medication called calcium channel blockers. Verapamil is a medication used for the treatment of high blood pressure, angina pectoris and supraventricular tachycardia. It may also be used for the prevention of migraines and cluster headache. It is on the World Health Organization list of essential medicines. Indication: chronic coronary insufficiency, angina pectoris, coronary spasm vasospastic angina, angina after myocardial infarction, hypertension, tachycardia such as paroxysmal supraventricular tachycardias. Let us see what is calcium channel blockers. Calcium channel blockers, also called calcium channel antagonist or calcium antagonist, are a group of medication that disrupt the movement of calcium through calcium channels. Hypertension or high blood pressure is a chronic medical condition in which the blood pressure in the arteries is higher than it should be. This requires the heart to work harder than normal to circulate blood through the blood vessels. Angina pectoris, chest pain from not enough blood flow to the heart. Supraventricular tachycardia (SVT) is an abnormally fast heart rhythm arising from improper electrical activity in the upper part of the heart. Coronary insufficiency (CI) is the state in which an imbalance occurs between the supply and demand of oxygen, which prevent adequate maintenance of the metabolic need of the myocardium, resulting in ischemia of several degrees of intensity. Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome is a syndrome in which an extra electrical pathway in the heart causes a rapid heartbeat. Contraindications: severe left ventricular dysfunction, hypotension, systolic blood pressure less than 90 mm Hg, cardiogenic shock, slow heart rate or heart failure, hypersensitivity, pregnancy. It is also contraindicated in the people with atrial flutter or fibrillation and an exciting accessory tract such as in Wolff-Parkinson-White syndrome. Special precautions: ability to drive or operate machinery may be impaired, hepatic or renal impairment, lactation, drug passes into the breast milk but at normal doses, adverse effects on the baby are unlikely. If you miss a dose, take the missed dose as soon as you remember. Skip the missed dose if it is almost time for next scheduled dose. Do not take extra medicine to make up the missed dose. Side effects of Verapamil: headache, low blood pressure, nausea, constipation, allergic reaction and muscle pain. Drug interactions: beta blockers treat high blood pressure and other conditions such as heart problems. Other antihypertensives: neuromuscular blockers drug block neuromuscular transmission at the neuromuscular junction. Digitalis is used to treat congestive heart failure. Carbamazepine potentiated. Quinidine reduces blood levels and combination may result in profound cardiac depression. Phenobarbital's rifampicin phenytoin increase metabolism, potentiates neurotoxicity by carbamazepine. Dosage: it is given by mouth or by injection into a vein. Adult 40 to 80 mg 3 to 4 times a day. Maximum dose is 480 mg daily. Intravenous route: 5 mg initially. If desired effect is not achieved, further 5 mg after 5 to 10 minutes. In children less than 6 years, up to 40 mg twice a day or 3 times in a day. 6 to 12 years, 40 to 120 mg twice a day or 3 times in a day. Maximum dose is 360 mg per day. Intravenous route 1 to 5 years 2 to 3 mg. 6 to 4 years 2.5 to 5 mg only at onset. Some brand names which are available in market: Calon, Calaptin, Isoptin, Vasoptin, Veramil. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. Please share to your friend. Hit the bell icon button and subscribe my channel for my new upcoming videos. Thank you.